The book is boring. I feel bored. Let's watch a movie. Wow, this movie is exciting. I feel excited. So we see, what causes the feeling, gives you the feeling, ing, exciting, interesting, boring, like the book. But how do you feel? Bored, excited, interested. Yeah? Now let's do a short quiz. Let's complete the sentences. Number 1, the class was interesting or interested. 3, 2, 1. Very good. The class was interesting. Awesome. What about number 2? The students were interested or interesting. 3, 2, 1. Very good. The students were interested. Remember, ed, how do you feel? ing, adjectives, what gives you the feeling? What causes the feeling? Good luck!